Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Let's take a look at last night's Scan Club. Every Monday night, from a swing trading point of view, 7 p.m. we do the Scan Club trades that's setting up for the next day. We're looking at the pound, Japanese yen. We'll take a little look at DAX as well. But let's just drill down to a smaller time frame here. 4-hour time frame, we got those sell signals on the pro trading system. Entry was pretty good as well, so we've got decent entry out of this. We're coming now into, let's delete that line for you, coming into pro trading system target, which is 12,254, and this is probably where we're going to bounce here. Now this is where I can take some of my profits. Now I've got 3 positions going on, £95 profit on that, 258.60, 169. This is where I should be banking at least a position here to take those profits. But the question is, do I go for a big move or a small move? And to decide that, I really do need to go up to the swing trading, which is the daily chart time frame here. Now we're right at this support area, which is this oh look, we're just starting to break down below this support. So this, momentum is gathering to the short side. We're trying to get through. Now our next swing trading target is 15,030 on the pound Japanese yen. So what do you do? What do you do in this case scenario? Well, I think you should have a plan always, and the best thing to do is bank some of the profits. So I'm going to bank that £94. Now what I'm going to do then is I'm going to get my stop and I'm going to bring it down to my entry on that position, and now I can't lose any money on that particular trade. Okay, so now I've got a free trade. We're going to bounce off at 15,254 because it's the pro trading system target. We tend to bounce off those targets. But now I am managing the risk and I'm trying to do my best to stay in this trade because I am going for a bigger move. I think we could get all the way down to 15,100 zone, which would be sort of right here of this band of support right down here. So, price loves to be attracted to support and resistance. We shall see. I need to get the stop on this one as well, which I can't do at the moment because I need to open that screen slightly. Let's see if I can. I will do that manually in the brokerage, not on the charts after this video. But here we are, nice red pro trading system short in combination, and you can see it bouncing now off of that profit target. So the best thing now to do is, because I'm going for a bigger trade, I'm going for this 15,150, the worst thing to do is to just sit here and watch it go up and down. Because what's going to happen is, let's drill down to a 15-minute chart. The market price goes in waves, doesn't it? It goes down, up, and it's this up move here that fakes most people out of a trade, and it's really difficult to sit through a pullback. Because what you're doing, you're just basically watching the P&L go up and down here. I mean, what's this up? Let's say that's 2, that's 3, £400, okay, and bank 90 of that. So I'm at £400 on this day trade. Now, if I start to see this go 300, 200, 100, it's going to fake me out, isn't it? It's going to panic me out the trade. I've been doing this for nearly 20 years now, and I know that this is the toughest thing to do, is sit through a pullback. I need to get a dog or get a hobby, because I need to go out really and not watch the trade. I don't need to watch the price action. Oh, let's go back to that smaller time frame. So the worst thing to do is sit and watch it here, gyrate and have these pullbacks, guys. That's the worst thing I can do. Let's go and have a little look at let's have a look at the German DAX, what that's doing today. So German DAX just added to a little bit of a short trade, so we're up about just a small couple of positions here, 300 quid on those trades, which is all right. I mean, I'm looking at the German DAX for a much bigger swing trade to the short side. As you can see here, we're starting to turn red. I'm a little bit early on this swing trade. If this closes red tonight, it's going to give me a pro trading system entry of 15,533. So what I'll do tomorrow, I'll start adding to this short side trade with a bit more of a position here for a swing trade. All right, so we could then get down to 15,249 and then 14,810. 2-3 is the bigger swing trade target. So looking for more downside, I'm going to build the position and go for that much bigger move. And I'm not interested in taking any profits on this German DAX because the position size in here is nice and small. And I will, get into my head certainly going for a much bigger swing trade on this. So really the moral of the story, that the message really on this video really is: set profit targets, have a plan, make sure you trade your plan, and don't think you need to sit through the pullbacks. Go and take your dog for a walk or go and play some golf. Set your profit targets and stick to those profit targets by managing risk at all times, moving stop to break even. Once you move that stop to break even, then the stress of the trade disappears, because the toughest thing in trading is sitting through those pullbacks. There you go, profit taken on one of those positions, 15.24. Look how that pro trend system target was adhered to, and prices bounced right off of that area right there. Hope it helps, guys. So decent day, and we'll see how these straight swing trades progress over the next couple of days. Take care. Bye bye now.